everyone. Welcome to our webinar on smart building technology. My name is Erica O'Hara and I will be presenting today. We will be talking about smart building products and introduce you to some technology that we think will benefit anybody in this industry. At the heart of smart buildings lies cutting-edge technology, seamlessly integrated to optimize every aspect of building operations, from lighting and HVAC systems to security and beyond. Smart building technology harnesses the power of data to create environments that are not just intelligent but adaptive. Our agenda for this webinar is to introduce technology that can be used in the development of smart buildings, starting with Internet of Things products, lighting control, heating and air conditioning systems, and energy management systems. Additionally, we will show a demo with SCADA software. Wanted to share a little bit about who we are. ICP DAS was established in 1993 in Hsinchu, Taiwan. Later, ICP DAS USA was launched in 2001. Benefits we offer are we're fast service, we have free technical support, free software, fast shipping, and warranty. What stands out most is our fast shipping. We tend to ship within 7 to 10 days, which is compared to our competitors, it's pretty awesome. If you have any questions regarding the webinar or the content, please feel free to use the chat box and ask away. Robert will either answer them or we'll get back to you about it. Okay, let's get started. So, Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of interconnected devices embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies, enabling them to collect and exchange data over the internet. Benefits of IoT. So I added the 4 benefits of using IoT, which is enhanced efficiency. So IoT enables automation and optimization of processes, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. It also improves decision-making. So real-time data insights provided by IoT facilitate informed decision-making, leading to better outcomes. Cost savings. IoT can help reduce operational costs through predictive maintenance, energy efficiency improvements, and resource optimization. Enhance safety and security, which I think is the most important. IoT enables monitoring and control of assets and environments, enhancing safety and security measures. Also, enhanced customer experience. IoT enables businesses to gather data about customer behavior and preferences, allowing for personalized and tailored experiences. IoT is transforming industries and altering the way we interact with the world around us by connecting devices, collecting data, and enabling intelligent decision-making. IoT holds the potential to create a more connected, efficient, and sustainable future. Example applications of IoT: smart homes or buildings. IoT devices such as smart thermostats, security cameras, and lighting systems enable buildings to control and monitor remotely. Industrial IoT or IIoT. In manufacturing and industrial settings, IoT is used for predictive maintenance, asset tracking, and process optimization. Also, smart cities. IoT technology is employed in urban infrastructure for traffic management, waste management, environmental monitoring, and public safety. And healthcare. So IoT devices such as wearable health trackers and remote monitoring system enables continuous health monitoring and personalized healthcare services. At its core, IoT contains a dynamic ecosystem of interconnected devices, each equipped with sensors, connectivity capabilities, and advanced data processing capabilities. These components work together to enable seamless communication, data exchange, and intelligent decision-making, driving innovation across industries and unlocking new possibilities for efficiency, productivity, and convenience. The key components of IoT are devices, so such as IoT data acquisition controllers. For example, ICP DAS USA's WISE series, a powerful technology that runs on browsers. No extra software tool is required, and so many other convenient features, which I will go in more details in the next slide. It is my favorite product here because it's pretty amazing and everything can do, but we'll talk about more of the WISE in our next slide. Sensors, such as Modbus RTU or Modbus TCP slave devices that gather data about their environment, including voltage, current, and more. Connectivity, connected to the internet or other networks such as Microsoft Azure and IBM Bluemix, allowing them to transmit data to centralized servers or other devices in real time. Data processing. The data collected by IoT devices is processed and analyzed using algorithms and machine learning techniques to derive actionable insights. Automation. IoT enables automation and remote control of devices, allowing for seamless integration and intelligent decision-making. Okay, the WISE. The WISE series, short for Web Inside Smart Engine, is a lineup of control units created by ICP DAS USA for remote logic control and monitoring in industrial settings. It features a user-friendly web interface that allows users to set up if-then-else control logic with just a few clicks, eliminating the need for programming. I will explain more about this if-then-else in the next slide. This ease of use of the if-then-else control logic reduces the learning curve and cuts down on labor and development costs. The WISE 5231 offers enhanced I/O support, allowing connections to XV boards, Beacon I/O modules, Modbus RTU slave modules, and Modbus TCP slave modules. Its flexible integration options meets the needs of various applications. It includes a data logger function for recording I/O channel data and supports sending data files via FTP to the control center. Additionally, it supports CGI command receiving, allowing devices like IP cameras to trigger the if-then-else logic rules, with support for SNMP, SNMP trap, MQTT, and DDNS protocols, along with seamless integration with SCADA and IT software devices. The WISE 5231 provides reliable real-time I/O logic control and data logging, making it a cost-effective choice for IoT applications. The if-then-else logic rules engine in the WISE controller allows users to define logic conditions and actions based on those conditions. So here how it works. So setting up the if-then-else rules. Users define conditions if, and corresponding actions then to be taken if the conditions are met. They can also specify alternative actions else if the conditions are not met. Rule addition and download. Once the rules are configured, they are downloaded to the WISE controller. Execution of rules. If a condition is met, the corresponding action is executed. I'll give you an example. Let's say we have a temperature sensor connected to the WISE controller, and we want to control a fan based on the temperature readings. If the temperature exceeds 30 degrees Celsius, then turn on the fan, else turn off the fan. So in this example, if the condition is that the temperature exceeds 30 degrees Celsius, then the action is to turn on the fan, else if the temperature is below or equal to 30 degrees Celsius, the fan remains off. The WISE controller continuously monitors the temperature. If it detects that the temperature exceeds 30 degrees Celsius, it triggers the action to turn on the fan. Conversely, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius or below, the controller executes the else action, which is to keep the fan off. With the WISE module as an interface, you can use any of our 7000 series data acquisition modules for smart building machine control and getting data over IoT. You can run a heating and air conditioning system. You can monitor the temperature in cold storage warehouses. You can turn on valves to water lawns, flower beds, or vegetable gardens. You can control elevators. Our ET 7000 series and PET 7000 series communicate via Modbus TCP. The PET series can be powered over Ethernet or through a connector to a DC power supply. Smart building technology empowered by the Internet of Things represents an example shift in how buildings are designed, operated, and experienced. By seamlessly integrating IoT devices and sensors, smart buildings are transforming traditional structures into dynamic, responsive ecosystems that prioritize efficiency, sustainability, and occupant well-being. Our WISE series simplifies monitoring and smart building automation, for example, for unmanned facility rooms. As you know, it connects to I/O modules and Modbus slave modules, allowing connection with various devices like thermometers, HVACs, warning devices, and power meters. Engineers can set up logic rules on the WISE controller for routine maintenance tasks, such as automatically turning on the air conditioning equipment and sending real-time alarms if the room temperature rises too high, scheduling rotation of air conditioning devices to prevent damage from prolonged operation, activating backup air conditioning if a device is detected as damaged while alerting relevant personnel. Additionally, WISE integrates with SCADA software for control monitoring and data collection of facility I/O channels. Engineers can also track power consumption to manage electricity usage and cost effectively. Access control systems are essential components of smart buildings for several compelling reasons. Firstly, these systems play a crucial role in enhancing security by regulating and monitoring access to buildings, rooms, and sensitive areas. By employing advanced technology, access control systems provide robust authentication mechanisms that significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized entry and security breaches. Secondly, access control systems contribute to operational efficiency by automating processes such as granting access permissions based on predefined criteria such as user role, time schedule, or specific events. This automation streamlines administrative tasks, reduces the need for manual oversights, and ensures swift and accurate responses to access requests. Additionally, access control systems offer valuable insights into building occupancy, traffic patterns, and security incidents through real-time monitoring and analytics, enabling proactive management and optimization of building resources. Overall, the integration of access control system in smart building enhances security, improves operational efficiency, and provides valuable data-driven insights that empower effective building management and decision-making. ICP DAS USA access control system are one of the most important infrastructures for a safe, secure society. The ACS 10V MF is an access control reader that supports RFID induction of access control. The ACS-10V-MF integrates three functions: door access control, voice guidance, and floor control all in one, suitable for use in community door access and elevator control. It supports Ethernet and RS-485 communication interface and provides anti-sabotage sensor and door position detection function, which can consolidate the security of access control system and effectively enhance the service quality of management. ACS Manager software is designed for easy and quick establishing a simple access control system linking to the database. It can be used to manage ACS readers and car UIDs access right. All settings are saved in MySQL database. Reader sync program will publish the settings to ACS readers and read back the access records. Additionally, ACS Manager facilitates real-time monitoring and reporting of access events, allowing for immediate response to security incidents and the implementation of proactive measures to measure risk. With its intuitive interface and robust features, ACS Manager streamlines access control operation, enhances security measures, and contributes to overall efficiency and safety of smart buildings. A general surveillance system on the current market usually features separated systems. The camera, DVR/NVR as a system, and the I/O monitoring as another system. Each system operates independently. For now, the DVR/NVR system of the camera usually records video for 24 hours, 7 days without interruption. It requires huge storage space and sufficient network bandwidth. Therefore, the system implementation fee is usually high. In addition, when playback a certain video does not allow to search the suspicious activities or related I/O, temperature, doors and windows switch, water level, etc. at the same time. However, our ICP DAS WISE surveillance solution integrates logic control, I/O, camera, and data log in one single WISE controller. WISE allows two-way interactions between the I/O and the camera. It enables to record a piece of video or to take images when there is an event triggered by either I/O condition or region of interest by camera. In this way, the storage size can be reduced significantly and the connection between I/O event and video image can be built for easy query. WISE supports full CGI command operation, CGI command settings, and CGI command receiving. The CGI command sending action can be added to the logic addition as part of logic control in response to specific events. The CGI command receiving functions enables WISE to receive the CGI commands from other network devices. The content of CGI command received can be used if condition statements to trigger the then else action. Smart lighting control systems offer unparalleled flexibility, energy savings, and user-centric customization. ICP DAS USA smart lighting products are generally designed for building automation, easy cabling, installation, and setup. The LC and SD series support Modbus and DCON protocols. The DALI series is a DALI converter. According to the demands, user can control lighting with digital input directly or via RS-485 communication. The main applications are the group lighting control, dimmer scenes, electric curtains, HVAC, security, and other automation controls. Customers can build a smart home building or building automation system combined with the hub and touchpad module. Some features are support Modbus RTU and DCON communication protocols. They support the industry standard Modbus protocol and the DCON string protocol for ease integration and third-party devices. Control via digital input RS-485. Provide two methods to control to relay output directly from the digital input or via the RS-485 communication or both. The LC-103H is an easy-to-use lighting control module that requires no special skills to install and operate, and no software is needed in order to control the diode channels. The auto control and traditional reel switches can coexist through the perfect solution to incorporate traditional switches into advanced automation control. LC-223 provides two-stage brightness for dimmer control. When no one enters the detection range, the lamp will remain at 10% brightness. When people enter the room, the light will switch with the brightness range from 10% to 100%. When people leave the area, the fixture will return back to default 10 brightness. The LC-322H is a 2-channel relay output loop with load current measurement module that provides the total current of all lamps on the control loop circuit and can use the relay to turn on and off the current loop. In the lighting control application, the value of the load current feedback can help to know whether the equipment on the loop circuit is working well or fail. The DGW-521 is a communication gateway between the Modbus RTU DCON and the DALI Digital Addressable Lighting Interface protocols, and allows a host PC, PAC, or touchpad to access DALI devices by providing 3 interfaces that enable conversions from RS-232, RS-485, USB to DALI. The module provides a built-in DALI power supply that can be enabled or disabled via a switch. DALI is an international standard for lighting control interfaces and is suitable for DALI lighting system covering small areas. The maximum length of the DALI signal cable cannot exceed 300 meters. So we're going to talk about our ICP DAS power meters. Under the trend of energy saving and carbon reduction, power monitoring gradually becomes an important project for maximizing energy efficiency by power monitoring, always contributing to a significant energy savings, no matter on the individual, corporate, or national level. ICP DAS USA's power monitoring and management solution is an innovative total solution for energy saving. It includes front-end on-site smart power meter concentrator, and back-end software tool for data management. In addition to hardware devices, ICP DAS also provides total solutions so that the user could easily view power data from their mobile phones or PC, and the administrator could set up the system quickly without complicated coding. Simply complete the settings through the web or software for power monitoring and data recording, and then perform further statistic analysis so that the user could fully understand the efficiency of the power usage and furthermore establish policies to achieve effective energy saving. During the early stage, if the scale is small, the user could simply use Smart Power Meter and PMD to set up a simple acquisition monitoring system. Once the scale is expanded, the user could get the back-end software tool involved and build an easy-to-expand monitoring system via block stack structure. By this way, the system will be highly flexible and could be implemented in phases to meet various requirements. Our power monitoring and management solution mainly consists of 3 parts: Smart Power Meter Concentrator, and PC side software tool for data management. Our Power Meter Concentrator is a new generation of power meter concentrator for meeting the trend of energy savings and carbon reduction in the industry. It provides flexible integration with the ICP DAS power meters via RS-485 or Ethernet interface, and features various functions such as measure the power consumption of the devices, energy usage analysis, power demand management, and the alarm notification functions. The PMD features a built-in micro SD card. After retrieving the power data from this power meter, it will save the power data in a data log file and automatically send back the data log files to the backend management center for data analysis and statistics. The PMD offers a user-friendly and intuitive website interface that allows users to implement the energy monitoring and management system just a few clicks away. No programming is required. PMD also is equipped with the LCD touch panel and provides an easy way for viewing the power data and setting the system parameters at the local site. In addition, PMD supports the Modbus TCP, RTU, SNMP, FTP, and MQTT protocols for seamless integration with backend SCADA, MES, IT, IoT network management systems, so that the administrator can monitor the status of the power consumption of each device and perform. I will now introduce you to Robert, who will give you a demo with SCADA software.
Life is good, but let's see. Hello, all. Let's see. My name is Robert. I'm going to give you a brief overview of AVEVA Edge software. This is a full SCADA software package that can be used in many different industries. At ICP DAS, we make many I/O modules, PLCs, PACs, and other devices which can easily communicate using standard drivers, whether you have a Modbus PLC, Ethernet IP PLC, DeviceNet PLC. You can communicate to the software package called AVEVA Edge and use it to display your data, create a HMI, or do controls through the software interface. I'll show you some of the features. When connecting to AVEVA Edge, the benefit of it is you can visually see what's happening in your application. So for instance, if you're doing a building automation application like most of the products we talked about earlier, you can show a building, show a water tank, show a HVAC system, show fan controls, lighting controls, window controls, all of this in a nice interface using the animation features shown here. You can use trend curves to monitor the energy consumption and usage for, one room, one device, or the entire building or plant. AVEVA Edge can also connect to IoT devices through either Modbus connections or other Ethernet protocols through the internet to one of the MQTT servers. Let's see, it has many different objects to display the attributes that you're monitoring through I/O, through Modbus TCP, or through Modbus RTU, or MQTT, or any other driver. The active objects can be also used to do controls. As Erica showed you earlier, you can incorporate the cameras, the IP cameras, through custom interfaces like the widget shown in the bottom right corner. You could do scheduling through AVEVA Edge to control or monitor the building. Say, for instance, at the end of the day, you want to turn down the lighting and make sure the air conditioning is, at minimal to, keep it so that people that may be staying late will have some air, but at the same time, it will shut off the main air in the, unused areas. And you could also incorporate occupancy sensors and access control systems to further enhance the controls. There's alarm features that you can use in here. The alarm windows can show attributes like over consumption of energy, maybe even someone swiping an access control card later than they're supposed to be there, so that security can monitor for those situations. And you could also create reports through the AVEVA Edge interface. These are, of course, customizable, where you can incorporate your tags and your I/O points into the reports. And finally, for creating the project, you just simply utilize either the graphics built in or additional graphics that you create externally using like Photoshop or even something as simple as Microsoft Paint, and then adding some animation features. For the most part, SCADA software just uses a nice background and some animation to create animations for a nice HMI feature, but you can also, just use the tables and trend curves as well to show your project and just show the statuses of different equipment. For building automation, something as simple as a control panel may be sufficient. Really, it's like there's a black background here with a few of the LED lights and some gauges that are built into Intusoft that are used in this project, and they're just associated with the tags through Modbus TCP in this case. But if you wanted to incorporate MQTT, you as well easily could as well.
Anybody has any questions, please free to email us at sales@icp-usa.com. If you like a recording, please email us, or about it and we'll get back to you.
Okay, and we'll have a more advanced SCADA training in I think about 3 months,
In July,
where we're going to go over all the details of AVEVA Edge. So if you're interested in this software, please be sure to attend that one. That's in July, and we'll be having another webinar next month. I believe it's on Modbus communication, but
correct.
please follow our website, and there will be announcements.
Thank you. Have
Okay,
a good day,
bye-bye
everyone.
all. Have a good
Bye-bye.
day.